So what's this mission's goal here?
Oh my gosh, look at this, Rex, look at this!
That's the mini? That's the mini?
Yeah.
What the hell? I wanna buy that.
You gotta buy it for DLC for $2.
That's real money. I mean, it's only $2, but...
Yeah, and then you gotta buy it with the actual, like, in-game money.
Okay. Wait, so you pay to have the option to buy it?
Stupid, but hey, I'll take it.
Cool. Break through the gates. You need a crowbar.
We need a crowbar? What?
You need a crowbar for this, guys.
Don't know. Probably up somewhere here. Die, police. I hate you. I hate you not only in the game. I don't know this guy. I'll get you if I can. There's like 20,000 guys. Jeez. Hey, I think I can get you. I think I can get you. Wrong thing. Why am I the girl? Oh god.
No.
Damn it, Jacob. Why'd you have to die? It's so for all of us.
Hurting me.
Yeah, okay, we're all dead,
Jake. No.
Thanks, T. Uh-oh.
Oh, that's not good. He's trapped.
Uh-oh.
Wow.
Over here. You sweet.
I think we,
Alright, Jacob, you really
lost.
cool.
Yeah, we didn't do too well.
Ready to go.
Alright, I have
Why'd
a
you say
suppress for
okay?
this turn. Because they said it's stealth. Alright.
Yeah, oh, perfect, bro.
Oh, there's people all the way over there. There's literally people everywhere. Holy crap.
Okay.
This reminds me of like Hitman. I know you never played that, but...
It's so scary.
Cut the electricity, friends.
Oh, there's like
It's
bags we can
breakable.
move, I think. Sweet.
This is what we're supposed to do.
Yeah, I think we don't have to do this, but we can.
Ah, shit, someone's red exclamation. Whoa.
Hurrah!
What the hell? It's whoever's down. I think it was a hooded
Keep your
gamer.
eyes open for chaos. Alright,
Gamer.
it's time to get into the auctioneer's office.
He's restarting it, lol.
Yeah.
Yeah, we actually learned
No, I don't
something.
have my minigun, but hey, it's like...
63 is kind of
Surveillance
pretty.
shows metal. The storage
You
room
like
is
my
blocked
mask?
off with
It's just
sturdy
this
metal doors, yeah?
I can't see
If
it
you
too
find
well,
out
but
how
I'm
to
sure I
enter the
would
security
if
boxes, I can unlock them
could.
from here.
Whoa, I fell.
Hardlock is
There's just a lady with an
checking around
umbrella.
that place
Get
with
the
you.
page. Oh.
Oh, who the freak did it?
Surveillance shows metal detectors all around the entrance.
Very
You've got to
nice.
find a way past.
Whoa, where?
Where?
Where? It won't go away either. Okay, there we go. So I guess this way. Probably then.
No, it's all good, buddy.
There's a
That's on
pub
the page.
nearby.
10-4,
See if you
over
can't
and
take
out.
out those detectors.
Roger.
Uh-oh.
That was loud as shit.
Oh, where?
I doubt you.
Dude, juice.
You need to find a way around the metal detectors at the entrance.
Hell yeah, baby. We're doing this.
Got him. Oh, wait, I'm so slow though with this armor.
There's a
Hey, it's
pub
already really
nearby.
slow. I didn't realize
See if you
that
can't
that
take
was a
out those
factor.
detectors.
Okay, whatever.
Whatever. Let's just kill these people.
Yeah, I think that's the plan. I think that's what lab means. Yeah, yeah.
Just make sure we don't kill a civilian.
On the ground!
You
Yeah, don't worry,
And he
I'll
left.
feel
That
no about
was left. Oh my god.
it. Really? I got it. I don't know what the hell I did. I don't know what I quit.
Why are we in gas?
I don't know, dude. Does that do damage to you?
I don't think so.
Okay, well, yeah, I just assumed it was. I didn't get near it, but yeah, it's fine. Okay. A lot of guys.
We gotta find a
Well,
briefcase. Right here.
the leash case. Hey, can you guys like freaking die? Thank you. What's this thing? Ah, carrying the thing. Just LB to throw, and I'm not throwing anything when I click that button. There we go. I think. Where? There, well, they're dead now, so. I don't know, I carried one too, I can't even throw it off.
Okay, our teammates are really... Oh, pick up a key card.
That was right shoot, yes. Hey, not fair, not fair, not fair. Speculating stuff in the game. Yeah, you pussy. Pussy. Where do we have to go, or where did you think we had to go?
I thought we had to go up top.
Dude, where? Get out of here, get out of here. Probably something's up there, but I don't know if there's a way to go there to go right now.
This guy just kicked me in the face and he
Uh-oh.
Oh, I'm getting killed. No.
Uh-oh. Whoa, what the hell? This guy annihilates you. I think I'm dead. Oh, I'm being helped up. Thank you, Hermit James. We're sacrificing not going noticed. I think there's on our side. I was aware am I being hit?
Okay. Secure the
Okay.
sword.
I see like an icon for it. It's really far away, but
Oh, we'll probably have to go like up again.
Up the stairs. A fucking shield.
Bomba. I do the little bomba. Yeah, it probably is like up there.
I wonder
There.
we have to go out. Get the f out, folks. Alrighty. At least I'm the all.
Yeah, where though? Where did he go?
Well, I go through the top right.
We're gonna follow him.
Dozer is down,
Okay, I
baby!
took an entire minigun to that guy, so...
Thank you, here!
Uh-oh, that one guy disconnected.
Taser down.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna YOLO with this.
How you like this?
Yeah, guys, it's like a lot of gas. Bye bye. He's gonna run. He's gonna run.
We gotta go over here with Hermit.
I'm trying to, but you're gonna die. Eat shit, fool. Ah.
Oh,
Ah.
I'm about to die, no. Be valid, please.
Grab the
Thank you.
first aid kit!
You're stunning me. Get off my dick, bro. God damn it. Ah, thanks, brother. Oh yeah, there's an NPC now because that other guy disconnected.
Holy
Oh,
crap,
well,
the shield guys are so broken.
I know. I need a valid surface too. Dude, where?
I'm out of ammo in there.
I would love to know where these ships are coming from.
Can you get me a jump, man?
Dude, what the actual hell? Those ships were literally coming from God in the sky, I swear.
You are dead.
God!
I only took like half the max. Oh my gosh, there's so many people.
Come on.
Oh, there's not a coastal briefcase, it seems.
Room.
Taser eliminated.
Is this the end?
I hope so. I think so. Where are you, Rex?
I'm dead.
Oh,
I don't know, let's just see what he's doing.
I'll just run back if he is.
I killed the shield!
Yeah, crud. The bang.
Get help!
I'm just gonna send him a thing. I don't know what else to do.
I know. Yeah, he's gonna invest me, I said.
Hurry, hurry!
So you gotta bring that back. Bring that back.
We did our part.
Oh, thank
We
God.
did it.
Okay.
Thank Glob. I don't know why that was
Oh
funny.
my glob.
No, whatever, we did it.
Yay. My
Somehow I
offshore
got-
is 3 million.
So what do you say?
764,000 spending cash. Oh my god. I got a paintbrush.
Oh, I got a point
Yeah,
too.
baby.
Oh, that looks awesome. Dynamite.
Beep boop boop bop. Beep boop boop beep bop bop. Beep boop boop beep bop boop bop. Beep boop boop beep boop bop. Beep boop boop bop bop. Beep boop boop beep bop bop. Beep boop boop beep boop boop bop. Beep beep boop boop bop bop. Beep boop boop bop. Boop beep boop boop beep boop bop.